Had to feed the bees here. They like to be fed. But they're nice. Such nice bees. They're nice bees. Just don't pet them. They don't like to be petted. But when they're eating, they don't really mind. But if you get around their hive, they don't like that either. They will come out. These guys they're gorging on the sugar. Last of the season. Oh, there's one drowning. I must have touched. They get all stuck in there. There you go. You dry off. Is there any more over here? I don't know why they flop in there and get their wing to there and then they get stuck. Sometimes they come dead. You think they're dead, but then they move. They just must be exhausted. There's something else, God's creation. They're amazing. One hive, they swarmed late in August, has drank 80 pounds of honey, 10 gallons. I'm just estimating 8 gallons per concentrated syrup, which is 2 parts sugar and 1 part water dissolved. I'm just showing you, they're not mean. They won't be mean. They're not out to kill you. They know they'll die. They're just one of God's wonderful creations. Really nice. Little of the stressed ones. I mean, you can watch them all day. You gotta save them all day because they keep doing that. Getting stuck in there. I'm not sure if them, because there's little yellow jackets there too. I don't know if they share, but I think they go after each other and might flop each other in it. Just as a game, or I don't know, defense. But I think the benefit outweighs the couple that do end up dying. For the hive. And there was another little swarm that swarmed after the one that I kept, and they took off and went somewhere, but now these bees are flying that way, like towards the east. Some of these, a lot of them are going around the house back to the hives, but a lot of them are going to the east. So if I can help them out before winter, and maybe they'll make the winter, that would be nice. That's what they get in the wild, that helps. Alright. I hate to pour it in now because they really let it roll on them and they really get all stuck up. So finish it up. Go find elsewhere in the house.